Hi, everyone. Are you having trouble sharing files between your iOS device and computer? If so, don't worry. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use the App File Sharing mode to effortlessly view and share files between your iOS devices and your computer. Let's get started. Please launch AnyTrans on your computer and connect your device. Once your device is detected by AnyTrans successfully, you will see the device information on the AnyTrans interface. Please wait for the device data loaded on AnyTrans. Once the data is loaded completely, please click App File Sharing button in Quick Start option. After clicking App File Sharing button, it will show the files of the apps on your iOS device. You can choose the files you want to transfer from the displayed list. Just take transferring the app sharing files to Mac computer for an example. After the selection is completed, please click to Mac button to transfer. Meanwhile, you also can manage the selected data with the top options in the interface, such as adding files to the device, deleting unwanted files or refreshing the interface to load files correctly, etc. After clicking to Mac button, a pop-up window will appear to confirm the file's saved path. Please choose the appropriate path and click the Open option. Subsequently, the transferring process will start. Once the transfer completed, and you will see Transfer Completed interface. Then, it will automatically open the corresponding folder and you can view the app files you transferred. Thanks for your watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.